Peace with me. That's very kind of you. What else are you going to share? Would you hand me a couple stones? Thank you. May I have one more, please?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. That's very nice of you. Very kind to share like that. Very nice. May I have another one? Thank you. May I give you one? Oh, you want one? Here, take one or two. No, but you can't eat them. Okay. I would like you not to eat them. I appreciate it. Good. No, please. Thank you. Okay, good. Good job. Very good. Hi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, thank you very much.
She shared with
She
both
does.
of us.
Oh,
Thank you, Gracie.
She knows how to share, Grandma.
Yeah. Gracie, you want one?
Just be conscientious of where you're walking. So you know. You see the ball? Ball. Ball. Yay! You want to throw it to Grandma? Hey, Grace. Oh, that was pretty good. Here, let's do it again. Why don't you go throw it to Grandma? Throw it right at her.
Oh, Gracie.
Throw it down the hill.
Gracie.
Which way?
Ball.
Which one you want to do?
Ball.
Yay!
Yay.
Okay. Now careful, you're going down.